Welcome all in economics class. In this video, we will study about the movement along the same supply curve, or we can call it change in quantity supplied. When quantity supplied of a commodity changes due to change in its own price and keeping other factors constant, then we say there is the movement along the same supply curve, or we can call it change in quantity supplied. Movement along a supply curve is of two types, upward movement or downward movement. When price increases, quantity supplied also increases. So there is the upward movement. It is also called extension of supply, or we can say expansion of supply. When there is downward movement, it means the price falls and accordingly producer is not willing to offer more quantity on the falling price. So when there is downward movement and there is the contraction of supply, it is also called the decrease in quantity supplied. So it is called the increase in quantity supplied, and this is called the decrease in quantity supplied. First is extension of supply, or we can say expansion of supply. Extension occurs due to rise in price. When price rises, quantity supplied also rises, keeping other factors constant. So here we can see a schedule is here, price and quantity supplied. When price increases from 10 to 20, quantity supplied also increases from 100 to 200. When we plot a graph, then we get a supply curve SS. SS is the supply curve. As we all know, it is the upward sloping curve. And here we know when price is 10, quantity supplied is 100. And when price is 20, quantity supplied is 200. So we can say here is when as price increases on the supply curve, we can see there is the A to B is upward movement. A to B, there is the upward movement, and we can see 100 to 200. So here is the extension, or we can say expansion of supply. So extension of supply, when price increases, when price rises from 10 to 20, quantity supplied rises from 100 to 200, keeping other factors constant, and there is the extension of supply. Second kind of movement is downward movement along the same supply curve. So here and it is also called contraction of supply. This schedule we have plot here, and we have got the SS supply curve. When price is 20, quantity supplied is 200, and when price become 10, means there is fall in the price, quantity supplied also decreases from 200 to 100. So here we can see when price is 10, quantity supplied, when price is 20, quantity supplied is 200, and when price become 10, there is fall in price, then there is the contraction of supply. Contraction हो गया है supply का. We can mark here, and we can see here it is a downward movement from B to C. When we talk about downward movement B to C, and यहाँ पर आप देखिए there here the contraction of supply is here, and producer is not willing to sell more quantity on when price falls. So these are the two content of the movement along the same supply curve. First we have read the upward movement, second we have read about the downward movement on the same supply curve we have seen, and upward movement and downward movement, two kinds of movement we have seen. It occurs due to change in own price of commodity and keeping other factors constant. Next is shift in supply curve, or change in supply. Shift in supply curve occurs due to change in any one factor other than the price. We already have read about the other factors which also influence the supply of a commodity. So all those factors, due to the change in any other factor except price, then there will supply curve will shift. Supply curve शिफ्ट होगा जब किसी और फैक्टर में चेंज आ रहा है एंड इट्स ओन प्राइस रिमेन कांस्टेंट. तो शिफ्ट कब होता है? जब प्राइस कांस्टेंट है, price of commodity remain constant and it occurs due to any other factor. Change in supply, or we can say shift in supply curve, it is also of two kind: rightward shift of supply curve, or we can next is the leftward shift. Second type is the leftward shift of the supply curve. When there is rightward shift, it means there is increase in supply. It is due to any one factor other than price. And when there is leftward shift in supply curve, it means there is the decrease in supply. जब कर्व लेफ्टवर्ड शिफ्ट हो रहा है, then there is decrease in supply. When curve shifts rightward, then there is the increase in supply. So there is the two rightward shift को हम forward shift भी कह सकते हैं, forward shift, and leftward shift is the backward shift of the supply curve. So now we will study about the shift in supply curve, which occurs due to change in any other factor and its own price remain constant in this concept. First is increase in supply, means there will be rightward shift of supply curve. It occurs when there is the favorable change in any other factor and price remain constant. We can see here that when price is constant means price 10 ही है. When price is 10, quantity supplied is 100, and when price is again 10 here and quantity supplied increases. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं quantity supplied increase हो गई है 100 से 200. So it is caused due to the favorable change in any other factor. Other factor like maybe there is a favorable change in the government policies of taxation or the subsidy, or there is a favorable change in the price of transportation, state of technology will be improving, or there will be any change, a favorable change in the objective of the firm. किसी भी एक रीज़न से, किसी भी अदर फैक्टर में फेवरेबल चेंज आने के कारण यहाँ पर सप्लाई इंक्रीज हो रही है एंड इट्स ओन प्राइस रिमेन, ये कांस्टेंट बनी हुई है. यहाँ पर प्राइस में कोई चेंज नहीं है. दिस चेंज इन सप्लाई कम्स ड्यू टू चेंज इन एनी अदर फैक्टर. तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये दिस इज द इनिशियल सप्लाई कर्व एंड एज आवर प्राइस इज कांस्टेंट. मान लीजिए यहाँ पे हमारी प्राइस कांस्टेंट हो गई है एंड दिस इज द quantity supplied 100. When there is favorable change comes and quantity supplied increases, our supply curve shifts to the rightward shift हो जाएगा हमारा supply curve, and new supply curve we have got S1. rightward shift हुआ है supply curve from A to B. There is the rightward shift or forward shift of the supply curve, and we can see here quantity supplied increases to 200. So it occurs due to any other factor, due to change in any other factor, and its own price remain constant here. So there is the rightward shift of the curve, and A to B there is the increase in supply. A to B we can say there is the increase in supply from 100 to 200. Next is the decrease in supply, or we can say leftward shift in the supply curve. When their supply decreases due to any factor other than price, then we say there is the decrease in supply. We can see in this schedule, when price is constant here, own price of commodity remain constant when there is shift in supply curve, and quantity supply decreases from 200 to 100, means there is the decrease in the quantity supplied. And why quantity supply decreases? It is due to any other factor, any one of the factor other than its own price. Price is constant, तो price तो हमारे यहाँ 10 पे constant है. This is the price line and this is the initial demand curve SS. When at price 10, initially quantity supplied was 200. So here we can mark A, and when price is same, price में कोई change नहीं आया है, किसी और फैक्टर में अनफेवरेबल चेंज आने के कारण सप्लाई में कमी हो गई है. देयर इज द डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई एंड सप्लाई का शिफ्ट्स लेफ्टवर्ड फ्रॉम SS to S2. देन A to C, देयर इज द डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई. पहले 200 क्वांटिटी से एक प्रोड्यूसर सेल कर रहा था, नाउ ही इज रेडी टू सेल ओनली 100 क्वांटिटी ऑफ द कमोडिटी एट द सेम प्राइस, बट देयर इज द चेंज कम्स इन, this change comes due to change in any other factor, and decrease in supply is from A to C. We can see लेफ्टवर्ड शिफ्ट हुआ है हमारा कर्व, और यहाँ पर डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई हुआ है, A to C डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई है, एंड दिस इज अबाउट द decrease in supply, or we can say there is the backward shift of the supply curve, leftward shift of the supply curve. It can be occur due to any other factor. किसी भी फैक्टर में चेंज आने पर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मान लीजिए गवर्नमेंट ने टैक्सेशन इंक्रीज कर दिया है, टैक्स रेट्स किसी कमोडिटी पर इंक्रीज हो गई है, देन व्हाट हैपन एट द सेम प्राइस, प्राइस में कोई चेंज नहीं आया है, चेंज आया है गवर्नमेंट की टैक्स पॉलिसी में, एंड ड्यू टू विच कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन प्रोड्यूसर का इंक्रीज हो गया. जैसे ही गवर्नमेंट ने टैक्स इंक्रीज किए, प्रोड्यूसर का कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो गया है, और प्रोड्यूसर जो है वो अब लेस सप्लाई करेगा, तो देयर विल बी डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई. सो दिस इज अबाउट द शिफ्ट इन सप्लाई कर्व. So we have seen that there is the shift in supply curve due to change in any other factor, any one factor other than the price of the commodity. So own price of commodity is constant, and it is caused due to any change in any other factor. So we can see other factors are like technology, state of technology. First we can see when state of technology is अपडेटेड अगर टेक्नोलॉजी हो जाती है, देन व्हाट हैपन, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, C रेफर्स टू कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीजेस, प्रोड्यूसर का कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, एंड प्रोड्यूसर विल सप्लाई मोर, सप्लाई क्या हो जाएगी, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली इफ स्टेट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी डिक्रीजेस, कोई आउटडेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी यूज में ली जा रही है, देन व्हाट हैपन, कॉस्ट ऑफ production also increases due to the old technology, and producer will supply less, and there will be the decrease in supply. Next is the price of factors of production, or we can say the price of inputs. Inputs जो भी production process में use में लिए जाते हैं, उनकी price अगर decrease हो जाती है, मान लीजिए फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, किसी भी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की लेबर, कैपिटल, किसी की भी प्राइस में कमी आ गई है, प्राइस ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीजेस, देन व्हाट हैपन, प्रोड्यूसर का कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आल्सो डिक्रीजेस, एंड इट विल इंक्रीज द सप्लाई फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर. प्रोड्यूसर अपनी सप्लाई इंक्रीज कर देगा, एंड इफ देयर इज द increase in the price of factor of production, it causes increase in the cost of production, and it will cause decrease in the supply at the existing price, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा है, सो वी आर सेइंग एट द एक्जिस्टिंग प्राइस देयर विल बी डिक्रीज इन द सप्लाई। नेक्स्ट फैक्टर वी कैन सी price of other good. If price of other good falls, then producer is prompt to sell more of his own commodity and he will increase the supply of the commodity. And if price of the other product increases, then producer want to shift to other product and producer here not want to sell the commodity whose price is low other than the other product. तो यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूसर क्या करेगा, अपनी सप्लाई को डिक्रीज कर देगा। जब किसी और प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस बढ़ी है तो उसको सेल करेगा और अपना जो प्रोडक्ट जिसकी प्राइस हम जिस गिवन गुड की हम बात कर रहे हैं उसकी प्राइस को बढ़ने का इंतज़ार करेगा और यहाँ पर सप्लाई की कमी कर देगा। Similarly, number of firms. If number of firms increases in the market, number of firms जैसे ही increase होगी market में, you all know market supply also increases. It also influences the and what happen when there is the increase in supply. किसी भी फैक्टर के कारण जब सप्लाई इंक्रीज हो रही है, then our supply curve shifts rightward. And when there is the decrease in supply from due to any factor, then there will be the backward or leftward shift of the supply curve. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स इंक्रीज होने पर सप्लाई ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज एंड नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स डिक्रीज होने पर सप्लाई ऑल्सो मार्केट सप्लाई ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेज। नेक्स्ट इज गोल ऑफ द फर्म। फर्म का गोल किस तरह का है? इफ फर्म्स गोल इज द ओनली कैप्चर द मार्केट शेयर, तो एग्जिस्टिंग प्राइस पर भी फर्म क्या करेगा, सप्लाई इंक्रीज करनी है। बट इफ द फर्म्स गोल इज टू प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन, देन फर्म विल वेट फॉर द राइजिंग द प्राइस। जब प्राइस हाई होगी देन ओनली फर्म विल सप्लाई मोर। तो यहाँ पर एट द एग्जिस्टिंग प्राइस फर्म विल सप्लाई लेस बिकॉज उसका एम प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन है। Government policy of taxation and subsidy, as I explained earlier, this also affect the supply of a commodity. When if the tax rate increases, मान लीजिए tax rate increase हो गई है, then cost of production also increases and producer will supply less. But यहाँ पर हम increase in supply की बात कर रहे हैं, तो if tax rate decreases, then cost of production also decreases and producer will supply more. And if tax increases, cost of production increases and producer will supply less. In the last, business expectations. If producer has high business expectation, he will invest more. जब investment ज़्यादा होगा then he will supply more. And if producers business expectations are not very high, then he will not prompt to produce or not prompt to invest more, and investment decreases and supply will also decrease. So here are the factors which affect the supply of a commodity, and accordingly our supply curve also shifts. When there is increase in supply, supply जब भी increase हो रही है, then our supply curve shifts to rightward, and when there is decrease in supply, then our supply curve shifts leftward. Accordingly, we will show the change in the graph also.